The RC12M from Motorhomes is a remarkable RV with a distinctive party trick. It's one of the best-looking vehicles in its class on the market, with neat, uncluttered lines and a well-thought-out design. This is a real example of an opulent RV that combines power and beauty with an expansive cabin that makes you forget you're in a camper. The R12M has 4 spacious slide-outs, making the lounge, kitchen, and master bedroom incredibly spacious. You won't even realize you're in a camper. The enormous garage at the back of the R12M is a very unique feature. It can accommodate a lot of stuff, even your sports car. With more technology per square foot than any other product on the market, the Microhaus is a revolutionary high-tech microhome that offers a compact and fully furnished living space starting at $60,000. It has everything you need to live comfortably, including a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping loft, and living area. Additionally, a battery backup system and solar panels are installed in the Microhaus. Because of their easy portability and excellent return on investment, Microhaus buildings can be moved whenever it is convenient for you. The Microhaus offers a profitable and ecological way of life. A wonderful choice to think about if you're searching for a modern, sustainable, and low-maintenance home is the M Microhaus. Rioja Customized Initiatives. Simply put, Rioja Unique Vehicles creates custom RVs equipped with the newest technology. If you're afraid of flying but still want to travel in ultimate luxury, go no further than their products. One of their newest models in essence. The Maverick Vanilla MD12 is a mobile 2-story apartment that can change. The ground floor has 2 bedrooms that sleep 2 each, located at either end, and a fully equipped kitchen with everything you could possibly need, including a washing machine, refrigerator, and cooking top. There is also a lounge in the middle with a cozy couch and 2 wide screens, and an abundance of storage. Slumbering bunk beds are used in the bedrooms, and opulent furnishings are used. The bathroom, which has an enclosed shower and a jacuzzi tub big enough to fit 3 people, is divided from the living by the bedroom. The Trigano Sequoia is a cutting-edge new tent caravan model that provides a special fusion of ease and comfort. With 2 huge double beds, 2 under tents that can each hold 2 people, and an annex tent that can hold 2 additional people. It can sleep up to 10 people, with a living area of 29 square meters. The Sequoia can be set up in just 5 minutes for the main tent and 20 minutes for the awning. The main wagon has an air awning that can be set up quickly and easily without the need for poles, and it is equipped with a new surround ventilation system that ensures optimal climate control within the main end. The Sequoia blends cutting-edge technology with a stunning, one-of-a-kind design. It's an excellent option for families or groups looking for a roomy and simple-to-assemble camping solution. Starting at about €12,000, the Trigano Sequoia The Starliner S125 is that infrequent exception that proves the rule. It is extremely luxurious and well-equipped while being remarkably compact and useful. To put it another way, the Starliner SL25 is a swanky pocket rocket that comes with everything from 2 queen-size beds to an automated car garage and premium equipment. The Starliner S125RG Executive boasts an interior length of 2 meters 31.1 feet, which is longer than the ordinary SL25 series model's 3 meters 27.2 feet, 2 queen-size beds, seats for 4 persons during transportation, A full kitchen, a dinette, a lounge space, and luxurious accommodations are all included. The type of trims and finishes you would probably find on a multi-million-dollar RV, such as a glass display case for your crystal jewelry, with a total size of 450 square meters. The Houseboat Classic 180 is a roomy and opulent living space that is ideal for year-round use. It is outfitted with 2 engines, allowing it to reach a maximum speed of 16 kilometers per hour and a cruising speed of 10 kilometers per hour. The Classic 180 has a contemporary style and is constructed of premium materials. The kitchen is completely furnished. The bedrooms are cozy and roomy, and the living area boasts a huge glass wall that provides breathtaking views of the lake. The terrace is a wonderful spot to unwind and enjoy. The outdoor space is spacious enough to fit a table and chairs, and the sun loungers are available for $643,500. Furrion Elysium is a concept for a luxury recreational vehicle. Its most remarkable feature is the Sky Deck, which is an entertainment area and helipad situated atop the RV and provides amazing views of the surrounding landscape. With its fully functional bar and hot tub lounge seats, it offers an opulent outdoor experience. The 45-foot-long Furrion Elysium is a big, high-tech RV that looks like a luxurious motor coach. Inside, there's a roomy living area with a contemporary kitchen, cozy seats, and a dining area with a refrigerator. There are plush leather couches in the sitting area, along with a big entertainment flat-screen TV. It has a smart home automation system that lets you use a mobile app to manage the lights, entertainment, and other elements of the RV. With family adventures in mind, the Mars15 Premium Hybrid Caravan is a luxurious and useful solution. It combines the luxury of a hybrid caravan with the compatibility of a camper trailer. And it has all the amenities you need for a comfortable camping trip, including a dining area, kitchen, bathroom, and queen-size bed, with prices starting at about $49,000. It comes with cutting-edge technology, including a Projecta PM400 battery management system, a Projecta 2000W Purus wave inverter, 2 135 lithium batteries, a Troomer Fast 14 liters hot water system, a 400W solar panel, and a reverse camera. Many people choose the Mars15 Premium, especially families. The SLRV Commander 8x8 is a specially constructed off-road recreational vehicle, manufactured by SLRV Expedition Vehicles. It is intended for individuals who want an opulent and strong RV that can handle rough terrains while offering plenty of living space and conveniences. The 2-story reference implies that the interior arrangement of this specific model is 2 levels. SLRV cars are renowned for having opulent interiors and premium features. Based on the preferences of the client, the Commander 8x8 might have features like a fully functional kitchen with contemporary appliances, cozy sleeping areas, a shower-equipped bathroom, a dining room, climate control, and entertainment system. The Severn Lamb double-deck trolley blends cutting-edge technology with period charm, making it a marvel of contemporary engineering. This tram is a unique attraction for any city shopping center or tourist destination because it is the pinnacle of authenticity and was made by hand with great care. The trolley's design combines traditional and modern elements, such as durable brass and wood, with contemporary features like LED outside lighting. It's not just about looks, though. as the trolley is powered by reliable electrical technology that guarantees lifespan and simple maintenance. With a maximum speed of 16 kilometers per hour, it can carry up to 70 passengers. Making it a great option for high-capacity transportation, its comfortable and safe design. Built on a Chevrolet Silverado 6,500 horsepower chassis, the EarthRoamer SX is an opulent all-terrain expedition vehicle with all the comforts of home, designed for off-road travel and remote camping. It boasts a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine that produces 445 horsepower and 910 pounds-feet of torque, giving it the power to tackle any terrain, from mud bogs to mountains. The SX boasts a roomy interior with 2 bedrooms, a lively kitchen, and a bathroom. The dinette can accommodate up to 6 people, and the kitchen is furnished with a cooker, refrigerator, and sink. There is a refrigerator, cooker, and sink in the bathroom. There is a wash basin, a toilet, and a shower in the bathroom. The second bedroom has a bunk bed, and the master bedroom has a queen-size bed. Both bedrooms are priced at $145,000. The Cortes 17 travel trailer, manufactured by Cortes Campers, is renowned for its lightweight design. This is because of its innovative composite Minoko frame, which is composed of a strong and lightweight blend of fiberglass and resin. The main sleeping area of the Cortes 177 is a double bed that is located in the back of the trailer. There is also a dinette that can be made into a bed if necessary. The trailer also has a galley kitchen with a sink, stove, and refrigerator. The dry weight of the Cortes 17 is only 2,680 pounds, although it's modest. The bathroom features a shower and a toilet. In 2024, a brand new Cortes 17 camper will start at $45,988. The truck camper nuCamp 2022 Cirrus 820, with a dry weight of 5,200 pounds and a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,700 pounds, can be installed on the majority of midsize and full-size pickup trucks. The Cirrus 820 is 21 feet 5 inches long, 8 feet wide, and 9 feet 11 inches tall. It contains a dinette that can be used as a bed, a 2-burner stove, a sink, a refrigerator, a microwave, and a wet bath. The camper also has a solar power system that can assist keep the batteries charged. The starting price of the 2022 nuCamp Cirrus 820 is $39,500.